Hey, hello everyone, welcome to ARH Design Academy. I know I was not visible for quite some time now. I was involved in a lot of things. There are two batches going on. I was involved in Project Hope also, some personal issues as well. I could not really focus on YouTube, on you guys. I tried to be in contact with you, keep regular interactions in YouTube community post as well. A lot of you have been asking me about my whereabouts and if I'm doing well or not. So I was absolutely fine, nothing wrong with me medically, just some issues, but shit happens, life has to move on. So that being said, I think I'm ready to start working with you guys again. So let's get into the video. Now, so there have been a few recent uploads on the channel, very elaborate videos on elements and principles of design and warm up. Now, by the time you will see this video, I think they will be taken down because they were part of a very elaborate series that I was planning for JEE paper 2, but I don't think we have the time to work on that, because if I work on that, it will take a lot of time, and let's say there is only 1 month for your NATA. So we are going to focus on a little exam oriented strategies. So that being said, अभी क्या करना है, what to do now? तो यहाँ पे मुझे I need your help. See, YouTube is not a very interactive channel. I have interactive platform. I have to upload a video, then you guys tell me what do you want, and all that. So this video is all about, you tell me what do you guys want. You have your exam, most of you have given your NATA and JEE, you have some experience about this. So you tell me what do you guys want now for the 1 month period. There are a few options I was thinking. So first option is we can always start the टेस्ट सीरीज पार्ट. काफ़ी लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया था उसको, तो वो हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं अगेन. आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड आइडिया. अनदर थिंग इज आई कैन सॉल्व द प्रीवियस ईयर्स पेपर्स विथ यू, समथिंग दैट आई एम ऑल्सो थिंकिंग वेरी सीरियसली. अनदर थिंग वी कैन डू इज आई कैन गिव यू सम थेरी नोट्स एज वेल, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि उसका वीडियो बनाने का इतना पॉइंट नहीं है. मैं एक नीचे लिंक दे दूंगा फ्री मटेरियल का, वो देख लो. वो मेरे हिसाब से काफ़ी अच्छा मटेरियल है. इट विल गिव यू अ वेरी गुड आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट योर डायरेक्शन शुड बी रिगार्डिंग दैट. बट इफ यू guys specifically want something in theory, please let me know about that as well. And something new I was thinking, what we can do is we can do drawing reviews of those things. Now I know there is no drawing part in NATA, but there is a drawing part in JEE, and because of how the paper was set this year, a lot of you have shifted your focus from NATA to JEE. So we will try to do a drawing review. What we'll do is I'll give you some drawing questions and you send it to me on my WhatsApp. मेरा नंबर है नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, और I'll review it for you. या फिर let's do one thing, I'll give you one question set 2D 3D memory on your screens right now. Take the screenshot of this, do the drawing part. इसका drawing करके मुझे भेजो 1 जून को सुबह 12 बजे से पहले. तो उसका फिर मैं वट एवर ड्राइंग्स आई कैन गेट, मैं उसका रिव्यू कर दूंगा. और या लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. सो यू गाइज टेल मी व्हाट डू यू वांट एग्जैक्टली. यू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शंस, एंड या लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. डोंट वरी, डरने का कोई बात नहीं है. 1 महीना है, कर लेंगे. JEE और NATA दोनों काफ़ी बढ़िया तरीके से अच्छे से हम क्लियर कर लेंगे, कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है. तुम लोग मुझे ड्राइंग्स भेज दो, मैं जो अभी कुछ टाइम पहले दिया था स्क्रीन पे, और मुझे ये भी बताओ कि तुम्हें क्या क्या चाहिए कमेंट बॉक्स में. फिर शायद हम कल या परसों एक बार बात करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन योर कमेंट्स. व्हाट डू यू गाइस वांट? ऑलराइट, लेट्स गेट टू वर्क. एक्सपेक्ट मोर,